Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the blueprint for my dream home kitchen, and you have to see this. This is the Modern Tudor Modern Organic look, and honestly, it's a game changer. This isn't your grandma's kitchen. It's high fashion, functional, and totally giving main character energy. Wow, the first thing that hits you is the contrast. They took this deep, sophisticated concrete gray for the cabinetry, super moody, right? And then, bam, they exploded it with vibrant yellow tile and upholstery. It shouldn't work, but it does. It makes the room feel so ridiculously alive. And the space, you know I hate feeling cramped, but look at these ceilings. We're talking easily 10 feet high, which makes everything feel massive. That central island, it's huge, maybe 8 feet long, topped with this gorgeous light gray concrete, perfect for meal prepping or just spreading out your takeout. But my favorite part? The light. They embraced the Tudor style with these huge black framed windows. There's one gigantic arched window, probably 6 feet wide, that just floods the whole area with natural light, reflecting off that electric yellow tile. And check out the dining nook. It's a built-in banquette, completely covered in that gorgeous yellow fabric, cozying up next to another huge window. It turns a boring corner into the perfect sunny breakfast spot. It's functional, it's dramatic, and it solves the problem of having a kitchen that's too dark or too stuffy. This is the definition of organic modern living done right. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.